another example, higher frequency, lower frequency. Okay, the second characteristics of the wave is the period. Period is the time it takes to complete one cycle. For example, so basically period is the time in circular motion, in moving in a circular path. So in our lesson, period is the time in one cycle. So we have here 3 cycles divided by 1 second. The frequency is 3 hertz. Pero pag period ang isolve natin, ibaliktad natin si time sa ibabaw, tapos sa ilalim si 3 cycles. So 1 divided by 3 is 0.33 seconds. Or mas madali, get the reciprocal of the frequency. When we say reciprocal, the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. So, i-divide natin ang ng 1 as the numerator divided by the frequency. So, 1 divided by 3 is 0.33 seconds. So, that is the period. What does it mean? Na sa loob ng isang cycle, in one cycle, nag-consume siya ng time na 0.33 seconds. So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng period. Sa isang cycle, ilang second yan siya. So, the frequency is 3 hertz, the period is 0.33. So, in first cycle, 0.33. In the second cycle, another 0.33. In the third cycle, another 0.33. If you add the 3.33 seconds, i-multiply natin siya ng tatlong cycle, lalabas ang total time na 1 second. So that's how we solve the period. Okay, madali lang. So let's have more examples. So another example, we have 3 cycles in 6 seconds. So 6 seconds divided by 3 cycles is equal to 2 seconds. So ibig sabihin, sa isang cycle, it consumes 2 seconds. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6 seconds. So ibig sabihin, pwedeng ang reciprocal ng period is frequency. And the reciprocal of frequency is period. So if I ask you to get the reciprocal of 2, the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. And 1/2 is the frequency. So kung i-reciprocal po na to ang 1/2 na frequency, ang result na is 2. So mo po na ang period. So, ano ngayon ang relationship ng period at saka frequency? They are inversely proportional. What does it mean? The higher the frequency, the lower the period. And the lower the frequency, the higher the period. Okay, so let's have more example. Okay. Solve natin. 100 hertz. What is the frequency of what is the period of 100 hertz? So when we say reciprocal of 100, ang 1 ha?
0.01.
0.01. So kinuha mo siya by in fraction form 100, the reciprocal of 100 is 1/100. So 1 divided by 100 is 0.01. That's correct. Okay? So what is the reciprocal of 5? In fraction form, the reciprocal of 5 is
1/5.
1/5. Very good. So 1/5. So that's the reciprocal of 5. What is the reciprocal of 1/4?
4, sir. 4.
Whole number, sir.
Okay, the answer is 4. Okay, so let's answer now the frequency. So 100 hertz is equal to, the period is 1 divided by 100 is 0.01 seconds. So that is the answer in number 1. How about 10 megahertz? What is the reciprocal of 10 megahertz? To get the period. So i-divide natin 1 divided by 10 million. So 1 divided by 10 million is 1 times 10 to the negative 7 seconds. Scientific form, it's 1 times 10 to the negative seconds. And last, the frequency 0.5, the reciprocal is 2 seconds. Or 1/2, the reciprocal is 2 seconds. So that is the period. Okay, baliktarin natin. Period to frequency. Ayan. So what is the reciprocal of 2 seconds? Obviously, the reciprocal of 2 seconds is 0.5. The reciprocal of 0.25 seconds, which is the frequency, is 1/4 is 4. And 10 seconds, the reciprocal is 0.1. So 1 divided by 10, 0.1. 1 divided by 0.25 is 4. 1/2 reciprocal. 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. Okay. So for our picture here, if we compute for the frequency at the same time, 1 second, so the topmost wave has a frequency of 3 hertz followed by 6 and 12. So obviously, in 1 second, the wave that has more than cycles produces greatest frequency or greater frequency. 12 hertz has the highest frequency. In terms of period, magkabaliktad. The higher the frequency, the lower or the lesser the period. So si 0.083 mas lesser siya og period kaysa kay 0.333. So greater ni siya og period kani lesser.